Beep. Beep. 5:30, ceiling stains, same old fan with the same complaint. Tiny apartment, cold white wall, no spider legs, no webs at all. One alarm, one tired hand, pulled the blanket back again. Looked around, nothing changed except everything had. Mirror waiting by the door, one pair of eyes not 8 anymore. One left shoe, one right sock, one lonely key, one broken clock. No headlines, no cheering crowds, no comic books, no chanting loud, no butterflies upon my sleeve, no Emily to wave goodbye. Of it was true, but it still changed something too. Burger Shack, exactly 8. Trevor standing by the gate. Same old apron, same old mop, same old smell of fries and salt. Customer says, "Excuse me." Customer says, "My order's wrong." Customer says, "Can I speak to your manager?" You absolutely can. Groove section. Soap, rinse, repeat. Soap, rinse, repeat. Funny, didn't feel quite so heavy today. The dishes piled like mountains high. Jared just smiled. Old Mrs. Henderson walked inside, dropped her groceries. Jared caught them before they hit the floor. She smiled. "Thank you, young man." Funny, nobody had ever called him that before. A little kid dropped his toy. Jared caught it without a thought. For just 1 second, his reflexes felt almost impossible. Weird. Maybe heroes don't wear masks. Maybe they just show up fast. Maybe kindness doesn't need spider legs or super speed. Maybe every little choice becomes somebody's reason to rejoice. Lunch break, park bench, ham sandwich, a pigeon landed. Jared looked, the pigeon looked back. "You touch this sandwich." The pigeon walked away. Clock struck 5, shift was done. Golden light, setting sun. Jared stepped outside alone, hands in pockets, walking home behind him. Trevor opened the back door. Trevor. "Jared, you're late again. Tomorrow." Jared laughed. Probably. Trevor laughed too. "See ya, mate." Maybe dreams never end. Maybe they just learn to bend. Maybe somewhere deep inside, Captain Australia still survives. Not in powers, not in fame, not because people know your name, just because you choose to care. Even when no past the trees. Evening wind, quiet breeze. Something tiny fell onto his shoulder. Jared stopped, turned his head. A tiny redback spider. It lifted him, he looked back. Neither one moved then. Very gently, he smiled. Well, hello again.